What you think about the man them who say they not celebrate Valentine?
Liar them are wicked. The woman them when I celebrate Valentine's Day, and them one day I go celebrate to the next woman later. Them don't care them good man. Jamaican man them wicked and lie, but them not celebrate Valentine's them go leave them.
So your partner celebrate Valentine?
No, but we have a son together, and so we celebrate our son. And whatsoever I want, he bless me with it. And it does not have to be Valentine's Day. We always celebrate each other. So I mean, but the woman them work hard and them deserve a little treatment. Valentine's, the man care them out for them on Valentine's Day. I believe in that.
Alright, may I ask you another question now. Zane, suppose your man no buy you a gift, Zane, but a one man will like you for a long time, him buy you a gift. You would accept it?
Of course, why not? Why would not I accept it? Of course, we not accept it. Me and him not in a nothing, but him like me and him buy me a gift. Nothing is wrong with that.
You know if you say that to the cause problem in your thing.
Unless me there with that idiot man.
So who you feel say do get the better treatment for a day like this? The side chick or the main chick?
Side chick.
Side chick.
Side chick.
Why you feel that?
Jamaican man them a liar them, so they don't celebrate Valentine's.
So you feel how much money you feel like a man should have spent for Valentine's Day?
Don't go overboard. Spend what you have. That's it. If $100 I'll spend it. That's it. Spend what you have. Alright.
Yeah. You feel like your man them deserve gift for the Valentine's Day?
Of course, why not?
You will receive yours?
Yeah, man, we can show you, man. You want to see it?
Show me, man. Show me.
Go for it, man. Show you.
Good class. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, big up, man. Big up, man.
Moms, man.
Make sure you catch her. Catch her. Good one, that. Yeah. Alright. Go on and come again. So, what do you think about the man them though when I say they don't celebrate Valentine?
Me and man them just don't want to spend the money for the woman them.
Okay.
Alright.
So like if the man them don't buy the woman them no gift, what do you think the woman them should have done?
Just sell them out, man, and make another man buy give them. And just do the right thing.
Yeah.
Wine and bubble.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright. Respect, yeah. If your partner not buy you nothing for Valentine's, you think that is a red flag?
Yeah. The must about Valentine's a Batman thing, but I don't know Batman thing. If you love your partner and a day, that the day the idea, just like birthday idea when you celebrate birthday, Valentine's idea when you celebrate love. You understand me? So if you love a partner, if you want to put $200 rose right there, so you buy it. Don't. Yeah, that's right. If you don't have no money, you can buy a $200 rose. I know nothing that. If she love you, she will understand, don't it? That's right. That is my opinion.
So what you think about the man them do where I say about they not celebrate Valentine?
The feel say they don't want to buy nothing.
They don't want to buy nothing?
No.
Yeah, that's what I mean, they mean.
I don't have a look Batman thing about them. Because if you have your woman, she a wash, she a cook for you, and this day show celebrating love, you must can buy something, girl. Even if you feel like you dare eat that day. Hello, darling, hold on there. Hi, sweetie, where you look today, darling? Just looking what's going on. Me have baskets, me have roses, me have all type of bashment. If I something you want for your man, me have it too. So what you say? You buy something from me? If I want $200 roses, if I see them out, that's all. If I want $200 roses, if I want $200 roses, I won't go to you. You have a little ring in it. Hold on, man, me go show them.
Angela, go in there and stop for a while. I can ask you two questions. You feel pressured on days like this?
Yeah, man.
So, like, how much money you feel like so we should have spent on a day like this, though?
Why?
right now, you know.
So, alright. You know one of them man then will say, oh, you don't believe in a Valentine's Day though.
Nah, man. You have to believe in a Valentine, man. You know. You have to buy a little gift and appreciate, you know.
So who you think say man them spend the most money on a day like this? Wifey or side chick?
Boy, you know, some of my man they spend it on the side chick, but you know, a wife here, we get it still. Yeah, for real, man.
I want somebody to buy a gift though. That one that look like me put you up on the spot. Me not gonna make you answer that one. See? Yeah. So differently though, you don't feel like the woman them love if we are basically what we provide.
Boy, some of them, you don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Take up yourself. How much money you think a man should have spent on Valentine's Day?
They don't have to.
So you think about the man then will say then celebrate Valentine's?
I don't really celebrate it myself, so I'm just like, no, because okay, so this is my take, right? Valentine's Day, I think it's just like a money making thing. You know what I mean? So it's like I feel like you have couples that don't even look at each other, don't even gift each other throughout the year or, any kind of romantic thing or anything like that. But because of this one day, they feel obligated. So they're going to come with their fakeness. So you know what I mean? But if I have a man that like actually treat me throughout the year, and then come this day and they be like, hey, you know what? We not celebrate this, we not do this, then I'm okay with that. You know what I mean? Me, myself, always says that Valentine's Day, I don't like it, I don't want it. And I think the reason why I said that is because I had an experience where the person did not even care about doing anything for me. And then comes this day, he's just going to be like, oh, it's Valentine's Day, let me just pick up something and give it. But if I'm with someone, right, that says like, this is important to me, it'll be important to me as well. But this whole Valentine thing to me is like, I feel like it's just a scam. Yeah.
So basically you would have say a man not to feel bad within himself then if him can't buy a woman gift for Valentine's Day.
He shouldn't feel bad, especially if he's a provider already. You know what I mean? Throughout the year and so forth. So he shouldn't feel bad about it. However, you do have someone that's mean and cheap. So in that case, I'm gonna be like, so wait a minute, like, okay, it's Valentine's, not me personally, right? I'm generally speaking. So it's Valentine's Day and you just not do nothing, like, because some man not motivated, some of them just mean, outright mean. So that's where the issue would come in. But for some of we women, we're just ridiculous. You know what I mean? The man is a provider. The man will do everything he can do. And it's like, okay, it's Valentine's Day. And just because your friends are, you see the whole hype or everything like that, you're going to knock the man and drive the man crazy. It don't make no sense.
All right. Last question now. All right. Say you have your partner. Him not buy you no gift. But however, you have one guy out there will like you and things. So and decide, say, I'm going to get you a gift. Would you accept that gift?
No, that's disrespectful to my partner. Yeah. So, yeah, I won't.
So that's a Valentine's overrated.
Very much overrated. It's a scam. Look at all of that. And you know what I noticed too? Like I was telling him, I was like, everywhere you walk is something for women. And you have to like really creep. And the reason why it's like, I empower everybody. I empower woman and I empower man too, just because I have 3 sons. So me kind of like split justice. And I'm like, where is the Valentine's gift for the man them?
So you would have said men are not celebrated enough on days like these?
They are not. And that's not fair because although I said that you have some man that's mean and you have some man that don't do anything for women, because I experience it myself, you do have a lot that does. And it's and not only that, they are forced to. And they feel like they feel obligated by the woman that they have to. You know what I mean? So make people be themselves. That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You feel say man them deserve gift for Valentine's Day?
Yeah, man, of course. There's my one, Just go collect from one for me, woman. See that? Yeah.
So what do you think about the woman then when I believe in a forgiving man gift? Or then give we same gift every year. Birthday, Christmas, affront. What do you think about that?
Well, if I have a gift and she's not a good gifter, you change the gifter, you know, so you go. Yes, man.
So what do you think about the man then we say then I celebrate Valentine's?
Well, and everybody are gonna celebrate it. Um, most of them don't know a real meaning then. I understand because there are different meaning to it. People put it in a different perspective, so they must know. Yeah.
You feel like you feel pressured when it comes to days like this?
No, sir, because you are going, you know, we always put a little thing aside, you know. So if anything, and you know, if we do something special for woman, yeah, man. You know, we have to go in a bank, we do it same way because my woman, when I just get my present, go give, she always did it for me. And I know long since me and her talk, and she proved herself for leap. Yeah, man. And everything about sex and clothes and money. You see it? Yeah, man.
So yo, like as a man we're in a thing long time, Zane, who you feel like the man them spend the most money on? Then wife are them side chick.
Well, me no normally have side chick, you know, so I don't know about the side chick part. You see it? Me's a loyal man. You see me I say, any woman when me I talk to, I one woman at a time. I not two and three, one woman at a time. Me not get the next woman till when me have one left. And right now, the one I go on good, so me no know about no left in business. Yeah.
So what kind of advice you would give man them we can't afford to do nothing on a day like this?
Well, yeah, for us, make you man know say you love her because love over everything, you know.
Yeah.
Giving a present that not really say love. You see me I say? I wanna know nothing for give her, that's why real love come still. Me not lie.
Yeah.
I just attack the truth.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, respect. Yeah.
Yeah, man, bless up.
What do you think about the man them we say then I celebrate Valentine?
Well, them say to every man is their own. They know why they don't celebrate it. But you have people men who think Valentine's Day as a special day. For me, no, Valentine's is every day. As long as you have your loved ones, you don't have no special day if you buy them roses. But you have some people who put that day as a day where they give their loved ones roses. And Valentine's for me is for everybody, your mother, your sister. Because I buy gift for my mother. When my mother was alive, I buy for my father, I buy for my daughter. So for me, Valentine's is a special day that I put aside that day for my family, my loved ones. Not that I don't give them gift on any other occasion. But for the men who celebrate it, good ups to them.
So your partner celebrate Valentine's
Yeah, he
Day.
does. He does, and he always look forward to that day. So do I.
So like if so the day now him can't afford to buy nothing, you feel like him should have feel embarrassed about it?
No, because he knows me that much. If he can't buy anything, if one ice cement, I appreciate it. Him not if he go out of the way if he buy no big present because as I said, my partner every day him buy me gift. I
So you
come home every day him carry home something and make me feel nice.
big up yourself. So you would have said then a cheap gift then better than no gift.
Anything is better than nothing at all. If your partner can give you just $100 roses, learn to appreciate it and say thanks. If you have big money, if you treat your partner, you don't have to have millions of dollars because um, it means you want like a cologne and it's like for $150. I make care go give my partner appreciate you and he love you like say $1 million. And the same for me. If he buy one roses today and that's what he can afford, me love him more because it's not the price of the thing, it's the thought that counts. Yes.
Alright. So suppose you have a little one crush, different from your partner will like you, and in this side say I'm gonna get you a Valentine's gift. You'd accept it?
No, I don't believe in one crush. I'm just straight one partner and that's it. So even if you go come to your face say you like me and I go come with $1 million to impress me and that day, no bother with it. Reverse. God bless you.
What do you think about the Jamaican man then we are saying they don't celebrate Valentine's?
Well, they really celebrate, they only say it because then hear some people say it. But deep down, they must celebrate. Yeah, man, they must celebrate too.
Do you feel like Valentine's Day overrated?
No, not really. It's just one just special standout day. That's right. So,
In your opinion, how much money you think a man should have spent on a woman on a day like this?
that's it. Yeah. That's the average. 350. That's the average. Like, all right, for Valentine's, you can buy a person like something where you believe she really need. Right. You don't have to overdo it.
So you don't feel like say me should have stressed myself then if me can't find if you buy a gift?
No, sir, no, because love her every day. You only have to buy a gift for sure, say, really something stand out. But you don't have to go over boundary, man.
You think about the woman them though, then give the man them the same gift. Whether birthday, whether Christmas, whether holiday. Me not go talk about the gift cause I try my son, I don't want to talk nothing explicit. What you think about the woman there?
Oh, you have to change everything, man. Different strokes for different folks, different occasion for everything. Right. But if a person have something already, so you buy him a teddy bear already for his birthday. You don't want to buy a teddy bear for Valentine. You buy something different.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man. All right.
You feel like Valentine overrated?
No.
So, who you feel say man them spend the most money on a day like this? The wife or the side chick?
You know, say most of your wife though, because wife cook and clean and wash for him, you see it? The side chick only can get where woman don't know about, where left back where woman don't know about.
So, as a man, you feel pressured when it comes to days like this?
No.
So, you celebrate it?
Yes.
You start out wife already?
No, me buy one roast him because that alone me can afford right now.
And you know, so wife you gonna appreciate that.
Yeah. Otherwise, when we have money, we go like karaoke, fireside.
So you don't feel like we need to go all out our way for them feel like we love them on a day like this?
Yes.
So what kind of advice you would give to your man them now when say they don't celebrate Valentine?
Because they don't know love.
They don't know love.
Yeah.
Say me can't afford to buy no gift, that means that me don't know love.
No, you don't have to have the money. You can show even cook for human and make human feel appreciate it same way.
Big up, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think about the man them when say they don't celebrate Valentine's?
That's a man who said to you. Me don't know who said to you because it's Valentine my body man. So me don't know who said to you.
So you celebrate Valentine's?
Because I'm in love. I'm in love with a man.
It's a brand new celebration.
So you're a partner by your Valentine's gift already? I don't know yet.
You don't really celebrate it. Still. Yeah. Although we're together, we love every day still. We don't have one day love.
One day love.
No.
So you don't feel like as a man if you feel pressured when it comes to a day like this then?
Well, you can feel the pressure, sis. And we are still. Yeah, because both of them are lovers, so you can feel pressure anywhere.
So you feel like your man them deserve Valentine's gift too?
Yeah, then deserve love. Because Valentine gives include love, so then deserve love. All right.